3 years ago, the Stradman stunned YouTube by purchasing a Bugatti Veyron and showing us all that you can go from an Audi TT to a Bugatti in just a matter of years with enough persistence, tenacity, and determination. But recently, you probably haven't seen his bug so much. You're watching Auto Anorak, and let's find out why Stradman has most likely sold his Bugatti Veyron. When the Stradman bought his Veyron in 2020, he made it clear that it was not a sound financial decision. The Veyron was not only a personal goal, but a means by which to bring new subscribers to his channel because he had access to something that really no other YouTuber had. Yes, Houston Crosta did a lot of stuff with Bugattis, but, and this is no offense to Houston, James is just a much more relatable guy. Yes, he's driving the Bugatti, but he's still going to McDonald's for food, he's still wearing the same $9 shorts as the rest of us, and he's still cheaping out on the hotels that he stays at. It makes the channel highly immersive and allows you to much more easily imagine yourself driving the Bugatti as you live vicariously through the Stradman's videos. Throughout the last few years, James has done a lot with his Bugatti, racing it against other hypercars, wrapping it in all sorts of wacky colours, and of course, fitting a glorious sounding Rift exhaust system to it. But it's the other thing that he's done with the car that is perhaps the cause for this video title: receive monumental repair bills. In a video I made shortly after Stradman bought his Bugatti, I worked out that James would spend an average of $65,000 per year maintaining the car alone. Yes, you heard that right, that's one base spec Corvette C8 per year. I have a link to that video in the description if you want to watch the full breakdown, but essentially that's how much it costs to own this car even before the really large issues. And of course we did have one rather major issue a few months ago in which the Bugatti's rear handbrake completely broke. This would most likely cost a few hundred or a few $1,000s for most cars, but for a Bugatti it would likely cost tens of thousands. And this brings me to my next point. It's no secret that the Stradman has unfortunately had to budget quite a lot recently as his new house is getting built and he's adding new bits and pieces to it, and he also has some very expensive Lambos in order like the Stradman and the Revuelto. Meanwhile, the Bugatti keeps being out of commission due to its issues, and so he can't make videos with the car, and money is plain and simply being poured down the drain every single minute that he keeps the car. What's more, there really isn't anything else to do to the car besides a wrap, wheels and exhaust. You can't really upgrade things like Bugatti brakes or wide body the car like you can with others. That would just devalue it by hundreds of thousands of dollars. So that gives you a pretty good overview as to the many reasons why Stradman might be selling the Veyron, but there have also been small grains of evidence that James has already sold the car. In one of James's last videos with the Bugatti, he was essentially trying to sell it to the Hamilton collection, and in a recent TikTok of the Hamilton collections, Steve showed off his new Bugatti lights, but they weren't for a Chiron. Oh no, they were $40,000 facelift Veyron lights, and since we haven't seen the Veyron on either channel, my prediction is that the car is currently getting a full once-over by the Bugatti techs in California before being delivered to the Hamilton collection. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know, do you guys also feel the same way? Have you also kind of seen little grains of evidence that Stradman might be selling this car? I know obviously he has talked about it a lot, but I just have a sneaking suspicion that the car has been sold, a deal has been done. But we'll see. We predict a decent amount of things in this channel, and hopefully / hopefully not, this is another one, hopefully in the instance that he gets a really cool replacement. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video and for watching all of my videos. Great to be back. I was gone for a few weeks, so thank you so much for being patient with me there, guys. But I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.